Welcome to the tutorial to install Tomcat. As a part of this installation, we will go through these following steps. Let's first start with the download of the software. In order to download the software, go to our link and then type softwares. This path will direct you to the download folder where you can download all our softwares. To install Tomcat, you have to download Apache Tomcat and Java 11.0.9. If you want to install any other version of the Tomcat, you can go to Apache Tomcat download site and here you can select the any other version. Let's allow this. Save this on our desired folder location. So we are done with our download step. Let's install Java first. To install Java, double-click on this installable and follow the positive steps. Choose the path where you want to install your Java. For us, it's C:installation folder. Click Next. This will install Java on your machine. Now let's set up the Java path. In order to do that, go to the folder where you have installed your Java. Copy the path from the address bar. Now go to your Start menu and search for Edit Environment Variable. Click on Environment Variables, select New and type the Java variable name as Java_home. All should be in caps. Paste the path and click on OK. Now set the path. Edit the path, click on New, paste the path, then \bin. Click OK. So we have set up the Java path and the Java home. Let's check whether our Java environment is working. In order to check that, go to your command prompt and type Java. It should be in small. As soon as we type this, we will see the entire list of all the options, which confirms your Java home is properly set. Let's now install Tomcat. Go to your download folder and extract the zip file. Rename the zip file and move it to your installation directory. Move in the folder and cut this folder and paste it on the installation directory. This will make the path shorter. We have finally installed Apache Tomcat properly. Let's set the Catalina home. Copy this path from the address bar and go to the environment variable settings. Click on New. Give the variable name as Catalina_home. All should be in caps. Paste the variable value, the path. Okay, let's set the path now. Click on New, paste the value / and then bin. So we have also set the home and the path for the Tomcat home. Let's now start the Tomcat. Go to bin and click on the startup batch file. This will ask you the permission to allow in the home network. Allow it. And you will see your Tomcat server is started. Deselect any kind of selection in this black window. Open your browser to check whether your Tomcat is working fine. Type localhost :8080, press enter. This page confirms your Tomcat is running absolutely fine on your local window. Thank you for following this instruction.